Empires rise and empires fall, but each one left a mark that changed the course of human history. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. In 4500 BC, the Sumerians built the first known civilization on Earth, with cities, writing, and laws. In 3100 BC, the Egyptians rose along the Nile, building pyramids that still stand today. In 2600 BC, the Indus Valley civilization thrived with advanced cities and drainage systems. In 2000 BC, the Minoans ruled the seas around Crete, one of Europe's earliest cultures. In 1894 BC, Babylon rose to power, bringing Hammurabi's Code, one of the first written laws. In 1600 BC, the Hittites forged an empire of warriors and iron around the same time in China. The Shang dynasty began shaping one of the world's oldest cultures. By 1400 BC, the Assyrians built strong armies and great cities across Mesopotamia. In 1400 BC, the Mycenaeans of Greece laid the foundation for future European civilization. In 550 BC, the Persian Empire rose, uniting vast lands under one rule and creating the Royal Road. In 500 BC, the Greek city-states flourished, birthing democracy, philosophy, and art. In 321 BC, the Maurya Empire united India under the rule of Chandragupta and Ashoka. In 27 BC, the Roman Empire began, ruling the known world for centuries. By 206 BC, the Han Dynasty emerged in China, advancing science, trade, and culture. In 320 AD, the Gupta Empire began a golden age of science and art in India. In 330 AD, the Byzantine Empire rose from Rome's ashes, keeping ancient knowledge alive. By 661 AD, the Islamic Caliphate expanded rapidly across the Middle East, North Africa, and Spain. In 800 AD, the Carolingian Empire rose under Charlemagne, uniting much of Western Europe. In 1206 AD, the Mongols began their conquests under Genghis Khan, creating the largest land empire in history. In 1299 AD, the Ottoman Empire began, lasting for over 600 years. In 1345 AD, the Aztec Empire emerged in Mexico, known for its temples and powerful warriors. In 1400 AD, the Malacca Sultanate rose in Southeast Asia, becoming a global trade hub connecting East and West. In 1438 AD, the Inca Empire united South America's Andes under one rule. In 1492 AD, the Spanish Empire began, spreading across Europe, the Americas, and Asia. In 1583 AD, the British Empire began its rise, eventually ruling lands across the world. In the 1600s, the French Empire expanded across Africa, Asia, and the Americas. And in 1922, the Soviet Union emerged, reshaping global politics through the 20th century. Every empire thought it would last forever. But history reminds us, nothing truly does.